Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can close or delete your account in Uplay. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to right top corner and then just click your billing address. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna get like edit account information, and then you're gonna select your site right here. And now you're gonna see everything, and just scroll down below and you're gonna select close your Ubisoft account. Closing your account will remove access to all your Ubisoft games and online services and will cancel current store, which is like simple. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask them down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And you just press close. Of course, I'm not going to close my account, but I just showed you how you can close yours. Have a great day and goodbye.